Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple and effective guide on how to share Telegram channel links, specifically for those channels that focus on sharing movies. Whether you're a movie buff looking to connect with others or simply want to share your favorite channels, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the steps, and in no time, you'll be sharing those channels with friends and family. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. If you've not installed it yet, you'll want to do that from the Google Play Store. Next, use the search function within the app to find movie channels that share movies. Type in keywords related to your favorite genres or simply movie channels to get a variety of options. Once you've found a channel you like, go ahead and open it. Take a moment to browse the content and see if it fits what you're looking for. Now, tap the channel name located at the top of the screen. This will bring you to the channel's profile, where you can view more details about it. After that, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. By tapping these, you'll access additional options available for that channel. Finally, select Share. This will enable you to send the channel link through various applications installed on your device, including your contacts, social media, or any other preferred platform. And there you have it. Sharing Telegram channel links has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.